Find the sum of the interior angles of a 24-sided polygon. So here we have a 24-sided polygon. There are two ways of doing this. So n is 24 sides. If we draw in all these here, these are called all the exterior angles. We'll just look at one of them. So this is method 1. We know that the sum of all these exterior angles is equal to 364 degrees. It doesn't matter how many sides we have, because we go around in a circle, the sum of the exterior angles will be 360 degrees. So if I want to find the size of one of those angles, then I just take 360, which is the sum, divided by the number of sides, which is 24, and that gives me 15 degrees. So each of these is worth 15 degrees. This here is the interior angle, and we know that the sum of the interior and the exterior angle is 180 because they both lie on a straight line. So I plus E is equal to 180. So if we put that in, this information here, we know that E is 15, so we have I plus 15 degrees is 180. If we take 15 degrees from both sides, we're going to get that I is equal to 165 degrees. So we know there's 24 sides, therefore the angle sum of the interior angles is going to be 24 times 165, which gives me 3,960. That's one method of doing it. The second method involves picking a point, and then from that point you draw lines to make up triangles. And if you count the number of triangles here, you'll see that there is actually 22. Just pause the video if you're not sure of that. We have 24 sides, and then always the number of triangles is always going to be 2 less than the number of sides. So the number of triangles is 2 less than the number of sides. That's always true for any polygon. Therefore, the sum of the interior angles is going to be the number of sides, take away 2. Now, for each of these triangles, the angle sum is 180 degrees. So we just multiply by 180. So this stands for the number of sides, and this stands for the angle sum of a triangle. And therefore, we have 24 minus 2. So we have 24 sides, we take away 2, and we multiply by 180. That gives me 22 times 180, and again I'm going to get 3,960 as the angle sum of all the interior angles. One interior angle being this angle here. Okay, so this has been a video to show you two different ways of finding the sum of the interior angles for a polygon. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.